Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Burp Suite. It is a way to analyze and manipulate traffic as you need to. Uh, you're going to need to do when you're doing any type of web application pen testing. So this is an extraordinarily useful tool. It is sort of an industry standard tool, so it is something you're going to have to get to use. Very useful and get to know very well. I want to thank everybody that's coming back once again. Please like, comment, and subscribe. More comments than anything else, because your opinion really matters. How to do these things? I love doing these things, and I definitely want to do these things for a while, and I want the best product for all you guys. Okay, so welcome to Burp Suite. What is this? It's going to be an introduction, a comprehensive overview. It's going to be a detailed guidance to the installation and navigating and configuration of what Burp Suite is. For right now, we're just going to go ahead and we started the machine. Right, we went ahead and did the we started the machine. We got it running, and we are rocking and rolling. I'm going to do the first 2 or 3 tasks because they're going to be read throughs. If you want to know more about the machine itself, more in the 6, 7, and 8 are going to be the. See, this is a big process, but around to the 9 mark, that's when you're going to go into the tasks where you can actually work with it. But to understand it, I would definitely recommend you guys follow along, and that's it. We're just going to jump in right. What is Burp Suite? I apologize. In essence, Burp Suite is a Java-based framework designed to serve a comprehensive solution for conducting web application penetration testing. It has become an industry standard tool for hands-on security assessments, web and mobile applications, including those that rely on application programming interfaces or APIs. Simply put, Burp Suite captures and enables manipulation of all HTTP and HTTPS traffic between a browser and a web server. The fundamental capability forms the backbone of the framework. By intercepting requests, users have the flexibility to route them to various components within the Burp Suite framework, which we will explore in the upcoming sections. Its ability to intercept, view, modify, and web requests before each one of the target server, each one reaches the target server, or even manipulate responses before they are received by the browser. This makes Burp Suite an invaluable tool for web manipulation and application testing. Burp Suite is available in different editions. You have the Professional, which is expensive, so most people use Community Edition, especially if you're starting out, and if you have Kali, it's already pre-installed. So we will focus on the Community Edition, which is freely available for non-commercial use with legal boundaries. Everything we teach here is all just that, legal. Don't use it for malicious purposes. Don't be one of those. Burp Suite Professional is an unrestricted version of Burp Suite Community, and it comes with features such as automated vulnerability scanning, fuzzer brute force that isn't rate limited, saving project for future use, built-in API which allow for integration with other tools, unrestricted access to add new extensions for greater functionality, to access Burp Suite Collaborator effectively, providing a unique request catcher, self-hosted, on running on Portswigger own server. In short, Burp Suite is professional as a highly potent tool, making a preferred choice for professionals in the field. And then, of course, you have Enterprise, which is, in contrast, Community and Professional is primarily utilized for continuous scanning. It features automated scanning and periodic scans of web applications for vulnerabilities. Similar tools like Nexus perform automated infrastructure scanning, unlike other editions, which allow for manual attacks from a local machine. Burp Suite Enterprise resides on the server and consistently scans web targets applications for potential vulnerabilities. Now, which edition of Burp Suite runs on a server and provides constant scanning? That's Enterprise, Burp Suite, Enterprise. Burp Suite is frequently used when attacking web applications and blank applications. Web applications and blank applications. Let's see. Web applications and I think it was not API. Web applications and mobile. It might be mobile. Watch it not be mobile. Watch it be like mobile. Okay, cool. We're rocking and rolling. Moving on. Features of the Burp Suite community. Although Burp Suite community offers more limited features set compared to the professional edition, it still provides an impressive array of tools that are highly valuable for application testing, such as proxy, repeater, intruder, decoder, comparer, and sequencer. Burp Suite proxy is the most renowned aspect of Burp Suite. It enables interaction and modification of requests and response while interacting with the web application. Repeater, also well known, repeater allows for capturing, modifying, and resending the same request multiple times. This functionality is particularly useful for crafting payloads through trial and error. So IG, SQL, SQLI, structured language security, and for testing the functionality for endpoint vulnerabilities. Intruder, which is a rate limit, despite the rate limitations, Burp Suite continuously despite rate limitations in Burp Suite community, Intruder allows for spraying endpoints with requests, commonly utilized for brute force attacking buzzing endpoints. Decoder offers a valuable service for data transmission. Comparer, as the name suggests, enables and compares two pieces of data at either a word or byte level. And a sequencer typically is employed when accessing random tokens, such as session tokens, values, or other supposedly random generated data. Beyond the built-in features, the Java code base of Burp Suite, the development extensions enhance the framework functionality. These extensions can be written in Java, Python, using Java Python interpreter, using Ruby or JRuby interceptor. The Burp Suite extender module allows for quick and easy loading and extensions in the framework, while the marketplace known as BAP Store enables downloading for third-party modules, while certain extensions may require professional licensing for integration. There are still a considerable number of extensions available for the Burp Suite community. For instance, Logger module can be built into logging functionality of Burp Suite. So, which Burp Suite feature allows you to intercept requests between ourselves and the target. That is the proxy, wherever you are. Come on now. All right. Which Burp Suite tool would be used to brute force a login? That would be Intruder, because it says it right there. Burp Suite, brute force attack, easy peasy. Okay. Intruder. Okay. Intruder. I just spelled that wrong, didn't I? Of course I did. 99% of my time, all my problems are syntax related. Paste. Intruder. Bam, there we go. Okay. We are going to stop right after installation, so you can just pause or skip the rest of this if this is, because this is relatively easy. It is already pre-installed in Kali installations, but if you want to grab it for Mac, Linux, Ubuntu, or whichever, there are pretty much pretty much a website. You click on it, download it. It's no big deal. Installation. Install the Burp Suite using the appropriate method for your operating systems. On Windows, run the executables, while on Linux, execute the script from the terminal. If you choose not to use sudo during the installation on Linux, Burp Suite will be installed on your home directory. So this is where we'd find Burp if you are not using the sudo command, and it will not be added to your path. Okay, so make sure you know that. And then the installation wizard provides clear instructions and is generally safe to accept all the default settings. However, it's always recommended you read and review the installer carefully. With Burp Suite successfully installed, you can now launch the application. In the next task, we will explore the initial setup and configuration. All right. So we're going to stop right there. I'll catch you in part 2. We're going to do this in several parts because it is a 13 task room, and I will see you in a few.